So this is what we'll be expecting on EURJPY. So if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, click on the subscribe button to stay updated. Like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link in the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's see our EURJPY. Let's start with our trend. You clearly can see that we are in an uptrend move. Now market gave us this high. Then here comes the higher low. Here is the higher high the market gave us. Then here comes the higher low. EURJPY eventually gave us a new higher high, and this is the higher low. So with this higher low being made, right, our next movement will be a new higher high. So our long-term forecast on EURJPY will be to the upside. So this is the best time for swing traders to actually hop in for the buy. Now let's go down to the forward time. So we are currently at a major rejection level, which is our major support level. So market has been rejecting from this level multiple times, as you can see, multiple rejection from all this level right here. So we should expect a rejection. So we are currently at a level of 175. We should be expecting our next movement on EURJPY to be a level of 176. So a buy is what we should be expecting next on EURJPY.